What is Nepali food? It is the tasty food from Nepal. Nepal is a very beautiful country. It has the world's highest mountains, like Mount Everest. It also has warm flat lands called the Terai. Nepali food is loved by many people. It is special because it has its own flavors. We are going to learn all about it. Let's explore the delicious world of Nepali cooking together. It will be a fun journey for all of us. Nepali food is a wonderful mix of tastes. It takes good things from its neighbors. You can taste a bit of India in it. You can also find flavors from Tibet. Even China has shared some tastes with Nepal. This mix makes Nepali food very exciting and different. People in Nepal like to use fresh things in their cooking. They often grow vegetables in their own gardens. This makes the food healthy and full of goodness for everyone to enjoy. Every part of Nepal has its own special dishes. If you travel to the high mountains, the food is different. It is made to keep people warm in the cold weather. If you go to the hot plains, the food is different again. This is because the weather changes from place to place. Also, different plants and vegetables grow in different areas. It is always interesting to try the local food. You discover new tastes and recipes in every region you visit. Eating Nepali food is more than just filling your stomach. It is about sharing happy times with others. Families often eat their meals together, side by side. Friends get together and share food during gatherings. Food helps bring people closer to each other. It is a very big part of our festivals. It is also important in our celebrations and ceremonies. We will now start our tasty adventure into this amazing food culture. Nepali food has many unique and special tastes. We use a lot of different spices to make it flavorful. Ginger is a very common spice we use almost daily. Garlic is also used in many of our dishes. Turmeric gives a beautiful yellow color to our food. Cumin seeds and coriander seeds are very important too. These spices make our food smell wonderful and inviting. They also make it taste absolutely delicious and memorable. They are the secret to our yummy food that everyone loves. We use a special herb called jimbu. Jimbu is a wild herb that grows high up in the mountains. It grows in the Himalayan mountains of Nepal, where the air is clean. It has a very unique smell, a bit like onions. It tastes a little like onion and also a bit like garlic. We like to put dried jimbu in our lentil soups, which we call dal. We also add it to some vegetable dishes and pickles. It makes the food taste truly Nepali and very special. Szechuan pepper is another very special spice we use in our cooking. In Nepal, we call it timur. It is not like the black pepper you might know from other places. Timur makes your mouth feel a little tingly and numb. It has a fresh, citrusy and lemony taste that is quite distinct. We often use timur in our homemade pickles called achar. We also use it in some meat dishes to add extra flavor. It gives a surprising and fun taste to our food, making it exciting. Many Nepali cooks like to use mustard oil for cooking. Mustard oil has a strong and sharp taste. It is quite pungent and adds a special kick. It makes our food taste very different from other cuisines. It is different from food cooked in other vegetable oils. Fermented green leafy vegetables, called gundruk, are also very special. Gundruk has a tangy sour taste that many Nepalese enjoy. It is very healthy for you and good for digestion. It is full of good flavor and is a traditional Nepali ingredient. The most famous Nepali meal is called dal bhat tarkari. Dal is a warm soup made from different kinds of lentils. Bhat means steamed white rice, which is a staple. Tarkari is a curry made with different fresh vegetables. People in Nepal eat dal bhat tarkari almost every single day. Sometimes they even eat it 2 times a day, for lunch and for dinner. This meal gives them lots of energy for their daily work. It is a complete and very healthy meal for everyone, young and old. Momo is another very popular food in Nepal. Momos are tasty dumplings like little pockets of flavor. They can be filled with minced meat like chicken, pork or water buffalo meat. They can also be filled with chopped vegetables for vegetarians. People steam the momos until they are soft and cooked through. Sometimes they fry them after steaming to make them crispy on the outside. We always eat momos with a special dipping sauce, often made with tomatoes and timur. Sel roti is a traditional Nepali sweetbread loved by all. It is made from rice flour, which is ground finely. It is shaped like a big thin ring or a donut. It is crispy and golden brown on the outside when fried. It is soft and a little chewy on the inside. We usually make sel roti during important festivals and happy occasions. Tihar, the Festival of Lights, is a big festival where we enjoy eating sel roti. It is deep fried to make it crispy and delicious. Yomari is another special food we make for festivals. It is a sweet dumpling, quite different from a momo. It is made from soft rice flour dough, shaped carefully. It is filled with a sweet, gooey filling inside. The filling is made from chaku, which is concentrated sugarcane juice or molasses and roasted sesame seeds. Yomari dumplings are usually shaped like a fig or a fish. We make yomari especially during the Yomari Punhi festival. This festival thanks the gods for a good rice harvest. Food plays a very important role in Nepali culture. When guests visit our homes in Nepal, we always offer them food. Offering food is a way to show our respect and hospitality to them. It is also a way to show that we are happy they came to visit. Sharing food helps to build strong friendships between people. It makes our family relationships and community bonds much stronger. We believe that food is a precious gift from nature to be cherished. Many festivals in Nepal have their own special foods associated with them. For example, during Dashain, our biggest festival, families gather and eat lots of meat dishes. During Tihar, the Festival of Lights, we eat sel roti and many other sweets. For the special festival called Yomari Punhi, we make and eat yomari. These traditional foods make our festivals more joyful and colorful. They connect us to our ancient traditions and cultural roots. They also remind us of our ancestors and our rich heritage. The way we eat our food is also a part of our culture. Traditionally, many Nepali people prefer to eat with their right hand. We believe food tastes better this way. We often sit together on a clean mat on the floor to eat our meals. Food is commonly served on a large metal plate called a thali. A thali usually has rice in the center. It has small bowls around it for dal, tarkari, pickles, and other side dishes. This traditional way of eating is still common in many Nepali homes. Nepali food tells a wonderful story about our country. It tells us about the beautiful land of Nepal, from mountains to plains. It tells us about the hard-working and kind Nepali people. The different tastes and special ingredients show our country's diversity. The way we lovingly prepare and share food shows our strong community spirit. Nepali cuisine is truly a taste of Nepal's warm heart and rich soul. It is something that all Nepali people are very proud of. We love to share it with the world.